This is the easiest protective hairstyle you can ever do.
You're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am showing you my protective hairstyle that I've been doing ever since we have been quarantined. My hair has been growing non-stop. I understand that it's just 2 braids, but you gotta realize when you're going into the office every day, a lot of us straighten our hair every day at a ton of heat, and it's not good for our hair. So being at home and having to do meetings over Teams or Skype, this is the hairstyle for you. It lasts up to 45 days, especially if you wear a scarf at night. And all you have to do is basically grease your scalp and you are good to go. This hairstyle is very sleek, beautiful, professional. So if you guys want to see how I do my 2 braids, please keep watching. Let's go ahead and get this party started. Now I do have my head wrap on. These head scarves I wear every single night because I do like to braid my hair and I want my hair to last a few days without me touching it. Also, the reason why you want to wear a headscarf is because if you have oils in your hair, you don't want those oils to transfer to your pillow. What happens is you're gonna lay on your pillow and then you're gonna get all those oils from your hair, which can create acne. Let's take my head wrap off. Now I wear 2. This is my do-rag. I don't even know what my hair is looking like under here, so don't judge. Now that all the tangles are out due to my wide tooth comb, I'm gonna take my Cantu. This is the tea tree and jojoba oil. This is for your hair and scalp. And I'm gonna take this oil, rub it into my hands, and place this on the ends. And if I have anything left over, I can bring it to my scalp. Next, I'm gonna take my Cantu. This is the coconut curling cream. Now you can use this when your hair is wet or dry. And I just use this more as like a moisturizer for my hair. So let's go ahead and open this up. I take about this much, rub it into my hands. Whatever I have left, I'm gonna bring down to my ends. And you can either comb or brush this product in. So let me just say, I am super tender-headed. Like, I cannot have other people do my hair. I haven't had my hair done professionally since I was like 14 because everybody's hands are just like super heavy to me. And anytime there's like a tangle, I'm like, ouch, ouch, ouch. So I'm tender-headed. You do not want to do my hair. That's why I do my braids myself. Anything I do to my hair, I do it myself. So now I'm gonna grab my comb. I usually do a side part. And you wanna make sure your part is super straight. I use my finger to guide my part. And I always do this side first. So my right side, I'm going to pin up really tight. I'm just brushing through my hair to make sure there are no tangles. Now I'm gonna grab my Cantu. This is the Moisture Retention Styling Gel. And I'm gonna take my baby hair brush and I'm gonna place this on my edges so they lay down. I'm gonna take my comb and make a part because I'm gonna start with this hair. I'm gonna break it up into 3 sections. So this is actually 1 section, 2 sections, and 3's right behind it. And and I'm gonna start braiding. I'm also grabbing hair every time I braid. I do braid very close to my hairline. Once the braid is stuck to the scalp, then you can kind of turn your hands, and I'm just picking up some of that gel because we want the braid to be really smooth, no flyaways. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the oil and seal my ends. Grab a black rubber band, and this side is complete. Moving on to my right side. Grabbing some of my gel and my baby hair brush. Starting with the small section again. Since I've been working from home during the quarantine, this is like the perfect hairstyle, especially when you have to get on camera with other people. I'm like, I literally just rolled out of bed, took my scarf off, added a little bit of makeup, and I was good to go. Taking a little bit of oil, grabbing my black rubber band. Now that my two braids are completed, let me just turn around. So let's move on to doing our baby hair to make this look even better. I'm gonna use my Got2b glue. And since I've dyed my hair, my baby hairs are very light. Let me just grab this hair wrap. I'm gonna lay this right on my baby hairs. I'm gonna leave this headscarf on for about 5 minutes so my baby hairs lay down and they're not as curly. I'm gonna grab my earrings to kind of like top off the look. Just like that, 5 minutes has passed. Let's go ahead and take our headscarf off. Oh yeah, beautiful. So you could leave your braids like this, or you could pin your braids up. I don't like anything on my neck. I know that may sound a little weird. So I'm just gonna grab the hair with my bobby pin, and we're gonna push the bobby pin into the braid, doing the same to the other side. And honestly, you can kind of slide the hair underneath the braid, but I still like to bobby pin the hair up, just so it's off my neck, especially when it's hot. I'm gonna grab my Miss Universe. This is the Chi Flexible Hairspray. We are using this hairspray to keep everything in place. Let me turn around so you guys can see this look. So I just crisscross the braids. So this braid is going this way and this braid is going this way. You already know, I wanna thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my tutorials. You guys know I definitely appreciate the support. Do not forget to leave any recommendations down below as far as protective hairstyling. What type of products do you use on your hair? And how do you keep your hair growing long and staying healthy? Leave those comments down below because you never know who else in the comments need to read that. So that helps everyone out, and I love it when you guys interact with each other. That just makes me feel so good. So we're gonna continue to spread positivity and help each other out. Also, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share, and please share my tutorials. A lot of people do not know how to braid their own hair, and maybe this video can help one of your friends or family members. So go ahead and share this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Until my next video, you guys know I miss you when I'm not here. I love you guys and all the support that you show me. And as always, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Baby, we can do